it. Hey, let me tell you something, Tikki. All you know, you're lucky, you know. And this is just the truth. You're lucky all them girls in there Jamaica, you know. You're lucky them girls in there Jamaica, you're there, you talk. So Tikki them fine, you know. Them fine a little district. Yeah, them find a little district and just eat you. Yeah. For true, them find a little district and just juke you with a needle. I saw them stay. You are just come and you don't know your hype up. And you not listen. You can't even fist, you can't even thump, you can't even pinch, you can't even bite, you can't even crab. Listen. Then you think sometimes them a come to you for say, I thump in your face. Tikki may get a buckle, you may get a now-look buckle. When them done with you, might feel like a crate. Me know you mean you never texted for nobody? Tikki, what you mean you never texted for nobody? Then you think if you cuss somebody one time and somebody want to cuss you 50 times, you think so them wrong for cuss you 50 times? Them go class you over and over. But Tikki, me done with you, because you don't understand. You don't understand. Not all what I say. You just not. It's not that you're not understanding. You don't want to understand what I'm saying, and for such, you're on your own. Kudos to you. You cuss me the first time you come on the life, so you can't say you never cuss nobody. You class me, and you say you do it because you want to make a name on the app. So what them want to make a name after you now? Whether they want to or they don't want to. The first time you come here buy out Rosalie argument. Remember? You buy out Rosalie argument. Eh? You're running. Where you know me from? Because you don't know me now. And you're running for Rosalie, you blaze it, and you don't know me from Adams, much less Eve. Don't. Hmm? So if they want classy, make them classy because you always have a skill and remember, so you meet to people too. But I believe say you really want the war because you want the excitement, you want the promotion and the app for yourself, but it might not play out well for you. Tikki, don't look at this yo. Don't look at this yo. I God. Tikki say, me and him baby mother did you know. Rosalie, your baby father wear wig. Happy kind of people. I love you, I'm there too long. Me I come out. I love you. Happy so. Later. Hey. Lionel, do not come. Don't tell me now. Remember me I wash. I threw the things in my dry, you know. I'm gonna put the sheet them down in the machine. No, me I wash. You can't with the killings this. No. Me love you now. Later, me love you. No man, me love you a little more. I'm tired. I piss up myself.